Welcome to Brainwaves, where we explore the fascinating world of science and history. In this episode, we delve into the intriguing story of how turkeys became domesticated. From their natural habitat to the significance they hold in various cultures, the journey of turkeys has spanned centuries. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind this process of domestication and the impact it has had on our lives. Get ready to gobble up some knowledge. In their natural habitat, wild turkeys are found in various regions including forests, woodlands, and open grasslands. They are native to North America and are particularly abundant in the eastern and central parts of the continent. These birds thrive in diverse ecosystems, from mountainous areas to lowlands, where they can find ample food sources and suitable roosting sites. Their habitat consists of a mix of trees for cover, water sources for drinking, and open areas for foraging. Wild turkeys are adaptable and can be found in a range of climates, from cold northern regions to the warmer southern regions. Wild turkeys possess unique characteristics and exhibit intriguing behaviors. These birds are known for their striking plumage, with males displaying vibrant feathers to attract mates during the mating season. They have a large, rounded body shape with long, powerful legs that enable them to run swiftly. Wild turkeys are highly social animals and live in flocks, often made up of multiple families. They communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including gobbling and clucking sounds. Their behavior includes foraging for a diverse diet of seeds, berries, insects, and small reptiles. Wild turkeys also have fascinating courtship rituals and engage in elaborate displays to impress potential mates. Wild turkeys have evolved and adapted to their natural environment in remarkable ways. To survive in the wild, they have keen senses, including excellent eyesight and acute hearing, which help them detect threats and predators. Their ability to fly short distances allows them to escape danger and find suitable roosting locations at night. Wild turkeys also have specialized digestive systems that enable them to consume a wide variety of plant material, including tough seeds. Their feathers provide insulation, protection, and can even serve as camouflage. These adaptations have allowed wild turkeys to thrive in diverse habitats and continue their remarkable journey through generations. Turkeys played a significant role in the diet of early humans. Archaeological evidence suggests that turkeys were first domesticated by indigenous peoples in ancient Mexico and the southwestern United States. The wild turkey, with its nutritious meat and eggs, provided a valuable source of protein for early human populations. Turkeys were hunted for their meat, which was commonly consumed alongside other hunted game and foraged plants. The prominence of turkeys in the diet of early humans is a testament to their importance as a reliable food source. Hunting and gathering practices were essential for early humans to procure turkeys as a food source. Turkeys were often hunted using various methods depending on the region and the available resources. Early hunters used tools such as bows and arrows, spears, and traps to capture wild turkeys. Stealth and patience were necessary qualities for successful hunting. Besides hunting, early humans also relied on gathering practices to supplement their diet with eggs and young turkey chicks. These gathering activities required a deep understanding of turkey nesting habits and their seasonal patterns. The combination of hunting and gathering skills allowed early humans to sustainably harvest turkeys and incorporate them into their diet. Turkeys held cultural significance for early humans and were utilized in various ways beyond their role as a food source. They were often incorporated into religious and ceremonial practices, with feathers and other parts of the turkey utilized for adornments, rituals. Turkeys also held symbolic meaning, representing fertility, abundance, and spiritual connection. Their feathers were used for decorative purposes, and their bones were crafted into tools and ornaments. Furthermore, turkeys had practical uses, such as their feathers being used for insulation in clothing and their bones for making tools. The cultural significance and utilization of turkeys highlight their importance in the lives and traditions of early human societies. The early domestication of turkeys marked the beginning of their transformation. Indigenous peoples in ancient Mexico and the southwestern United States were the first to begin this process. These early humans recognized the value of turkeys as a food source and started to capture and breed them in captivity. By domesticating wild turkeys, they aim to have a more reliable and sustainable supply of meat, eggs, and feathers. This initial domestication laid the foundation for the selective breeding and further transformation of turkeys over time. Selective breeding played a crucial role in the domestication and transformation of turkeys. Early humans selectively bred turkeys for desired traits such as larger body size, improved meat quality, and increased egg production. Over time, they focused on breeding individuals that exhibited these desirable characteristics, resulting in the establishment of new varieties and breeds. Through careful selection, turkeys with specific traits were favored for reproduction, passing on their desirable traits to future generations. This process of selective breeding allowed early humans to shape the genetic makeup of turkeys and further enhance their suitability for specific purposes. Human intervention played a significant role in the domestication of turkeys. Early humans actively influenced the breeding and living conditions of turkeys to further enhance their desired traits. They provided turkeys with protected environments, controlled mating opportunities, and access to abundant food sources. These interventions allowed humans to exert greater control over the reproductive success and overall development of domesticated turkeys. As a result, turkeys gradually developed traits that made them more docile, adaptable to human environments, and better suited to meet the needs and preferences of their human caretakers. This close relationship between humans and turkeys continued to shape their domestication over time. Turkeys held significant importance in ancient cultures around the world. In various civilizations, including those in ancient Mexico and the southwestern United States, turkeys were revered and considered sacred animals. They were often associated with fertility, abundance, and the divine. Turkeys played a role in religious ceremonies and rituals, and their feathers, bones, and other parts were used in elaborate ceremonies. These ancient cultures recognized and appreciated the unique qualities of turkeys, incorporating them into their belief systems and cultural practices. Turkeys held a central role in ceremonial practices of ancient cultures. They were often sacrificed as offerings in religious rituals, symbolizing gratitude and reverence. The feathers of turkeys were used to create elaborate headdresses, adornments, and costumes worn during ceremonies and special occasions. Turkeys were also associated with divination and prophecy in some cultures, with their behavior or characteristics believed to hold significant meaning. The ceremonial uses of turkeys reflected the cultural and spiritual significance attributed to these magnificent birds, and they played a vital role in connecting humans with the spiritual realm. Turkeys held deep symbolism and cultural significance in various civilizations. They were often associated with traits such as abundance, fertility, and protection. The vibrant colors of their feathers represented beauty and vitality. Turkeys were also believed to have a connection with the divine, acting as messengers between humans and the spiritual realm. In some cultures, turkeys were regarded as symbols of wisdom, intelligence, and even nobility. The cultural significance of turkeys extended beyond their practical uses as a food source, emphasizing their spiritual and symbolic importance in shaping the beliefs and customs of ancient societies. Modern turkey farming practices have evolved to meet the demands of the industry. Turkeys are typically raised in specialized facilities called turkey farms, where they are provided with controlled environments to optimize their growth and health. These facilities are equipped with temperature control systems, proper ventilation, and lighting to create optimal conditions for the turkeys. They are also provided with ample space, clean water, and a balanced diet to ensure their nutritional needs are met. Modern turkey farming practices prioritize the welfare and well-being of the turkeys, aiming to provide the best possible conditions for their growth and development. Selective breeding plays a crucial role in modern turkey farming to develop commercial traits. Turkeys are selectively bred to enhance attributes such as larger body size, efficient meat production, faster growth rates, and improved feed conversion. The goal is to produce turkeys that can meet the demands of the market, both in terms of quantity and quality. Through careful selection and mating of individuals with desirable traits, turkey breeders are able to shape the genetic makeup of turkeys to meet the specific requirements of the industry. This selective breeding process has significantly influenced the characteristics of modern domesticated turkeys, making them highly efficient for commercial production. Modern turkey farming also faces various challenges and controversies. One of the main concerns is the welfare of the turkeys raised in intensive farming systems. Critics argue that these systems may limit their natural behavior, restrict their movement, and cause stress and health issues. Another challenge is the risk of disease outbreaks due to the high stocking densities in commercial farms. To mitigate these challenges, farmers employ strict biosecurity measures to prevent the spread of diseases among flocks. Additionally, there is a growing demand for more sustainable and ethical practices in turkey farming, including the use of alternative housing systems that provide more space and enrichment for the turkeys. Balancing the demands of productivity, animal welfare, and environmental sustainability remains an ongoing challenge in modern turkey farming. And that concludes our journey into the captivating history of turkey domestication. We have seen how these incredible birds went from roaming freely in the wild to becoming a staple in many households around the world. Through the process of selective breeding and the cultural significance they hold, turkeys have transformed into the domesticated birds we know today. As we continue to appreciate and celebrate turkeys, let's also remember the important role they play in our food systems and the diverse cultures that have embraced them. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights on brainwaves.